guys, I'm back with another dip powder mani. So I do have on CNDesigner Dips Peel Off Base Coat, which it is a water-based peel off base coat. I applied 2 coats of that and allowed that to dry thoroughly on top of my builder gel. And today I will be using CNDesigner Dips Dip liquids. These are regular dip liquids, so I am wearing my respirator, and the color that I will be using is Joker from CNDesigner Dips. Nice, I don't even know if this is a word, like prismatic type chameleon shifting dip powder, let me say it that way. It has pink in there, then it shifts to a green. You just pick up various colors in there, and I've used this color before, I think maybe 2 years ago. And so I'm just going to, this is an all glitter dip powder application. And so on my thumb and pinky, I will be applying the glitter in over in the entire nail. And then on my other 3 fingers, I will be attempting a glitter ombre. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So with the first layer of glitter, as per my normal process, I am pouring the glitter over. And of course, you're not going to pick up that many glitter pieces. It's picking up more of the clear powder in the glitter dip powder itself. And so I'm just using a cuticle or an orange wood stick. They're colored. I got those off of Shein. To just kind of push those away from the cuticle area and sidewalls of my nail, and just placing those where I want those to be. And then I will brush off excess, and on the second coat of glitter dip powder, I will lay my finger flat, and that pretty much will allow or get your nail covered with the glitter. So after those 2 nails have been completed, I have a second cupcake liner, and now I'm going in with clear, and that's a tasting spoon. It's disposable. You can reuse it if you want to. You can use whatever method to apply the clear to dip powder to your nail. So what I'm doing, I'm applying my base, of course. And I'm going to take an ombre brush. This ombre brush, particular brush, is from Color My World Dips, another shop on Etsy. And I'm just tapping the glitter off of the brush onto the nail. Now, am I good at it? No, not that great at it. And then I'm just taking the, and I'm totally out of frame. I'm just taking, scooping up the clear in the tasting spoon and pouring that over the nail on top of, or over the cupcake liner. And I'm just going to repeat that process on my middle and ring finger. And I'm also patting that glitter down because I want it to lay as flat as possible. You don't want to cut yourself with some glitter, because when you get the fouling and buffing, let me tell you something, have some glitter sticking out. You're going to cut something, whether you like it or not. If you do this at home, or you have attempted this or not, or you want to attempt a glitter ombre, the first time you do this, you're not going to get as much glitter on the nail that you would like. And that's okay, because you're going to go in and repeat. And so I'm going in with a soft bristle toothbrush to brush off any excess. It does brush off some glitter, and that's okay. That is to be expected. And so on the second coat, you'll notice that I'm kind of laying my finger flat because I want more of that glitter concentrated on the tip of my nail. And then I'm going to go in and repeat that, applying the clear. And I'm just, I just get kind of the tip. The glitter ombre went down further than I would like, but overall I thought it was okay. My first attempt at doing that, it is what it is. And so I'm just pouring over that clear. And once I do all 3 nails, I'm going to encapsulate all 5 nails in clear, and I think I do that off camera. So after I finished the other nail, what I did notice on the right side of my nails, I didn't get as much glitter as I would have liked. And I didn't pay that any attention until after I've uploaded the footage, and now I'm doing my voiceover. And so I did encapsulate and clear off camera, and I'm just using a soft bristle toothbrush and getting off as much of that clear dip powder that did not soak up with the dip base. And so I'm going in with activator, and I'm applying that to all 5 nails. You want to dip the brush back into the bottle for each nail so that you can make sure that that activator seeps down in between that dip powder and hardens the powder and gets everything ready for filing and buffing, which I will do off camera. After filing and buffing, I'm going in with activator, and I wait about, I believe, 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to go in and apply 2 coats of top coat. Now, as I mentioned in the previous video, this is my, well, at this point, this is my second time using the dip liquids. I did the mani on my left hand with the dip liquids for the first time. Now, the top coat, I am wearing, Lord, I can't get that together, wearing a respirator, and then, but the top coat burned my eyes. I don't like that, but it's a nice shiny top coat. Corey, if you happen to look at this video, can we do something about that top coat? It's nice and shiny. I like it, but it just burnt my eyes. Or have you guys used it and it burnt your eyes? Maybe it's only me. Maybe it's just me, because I have dry eyes anyway. But like I said, I wear glasses, and it went right on through and burnt the hell out of my eyes. And so I'm going in and applying 1 coat of top coat and as few swipes across the length and the width of my nail. I'm then going in with the second layer of top coat, and I will apply that to my, applying that to my nail and then capping the free edge. And it dried down relatively quick. And I want to say it dried in less than 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go in and apply some cuticle oil. See, y'all, look how shiny my nails look. Now, my skin is dust buckety, but the nails are shiny. So I'm going in with Sweet Hibiscus, which is cuticle oil sold on CNDesigner Dips, which is a shop on Etsy, and massaging that in. And so, guys, if you found value, please like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.